Hello, thank you for looking at my channel. I am doing my first ever unboxing, so this is a first for me and a first for you. I just had delivered today an HP OfficeJet 3830 printer, and I ordered it from Office Depot online July 28th and received it today, shipping free, August 2nd. No hitches, everything's fine. I didn't even need a new printer, but when you factor in the cost of new ink, when you're getting both color and black, it's almost the price of a new printer, so I just thought, why not? So what I'm going to do is open this up. Always be careful with the knife. Cut away from you. If you can get it to go right. This is a little thick right here to start with. Cut it carefully, always going away. And when I do the sides, same thing. Going away and going away. Putting the knife down. Now I open it up. It's going to be great. It's been a long time since I've had a new printer. First of all, my information. Number 1, prepare. Now they have a new feature I've never heard of before. It's called Instant Ink. It says right on the box this is already inside. Looks like they have different configurations of the ink to print different amounts of pages. I'll look into this more later. We got another booklet here. This is your setup. You're an HP OfficeJet 3830 all-in-one series. So we have this. Now, inside, I know you can't see. First thing, cords, ink cartridges. So I'm already set up there. Oops, excuse me. Next thing, another cord. You can see that. And a disc. This is going to show me lots of features, I'm sure. It's for Windows. It's going to show me what we can do. Now, next, cardboard. Styrofoam, plastic, and a printer. Let's see if I can get this out of here. I might have to turn the box sideways. Yeah, because the styrofoam, everything is all in one piece. See, I'm covering up my own face. Let me try it this way. Let me stack everything, remove the knife. I'm going to be out of frame for a moment. Remove this. Now you can see what I see. I turn this on its face. Brand new printer inside. Start removing everything that keeps it safe in transit. See if I can pull it out, styrofoam and all. Get rid of the box. Easier said than done. There's the phone. I'm not going to listen. There, hang on. People make it so easy on their videos. This is a bit wilder than I thought it would be. Down goes the box. Now, styrofoam comes off. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Let's see if we can be more gentle with this one. These are my neighbor's dogs. This is definitely not a soundproof studio. And it's upside down. Is it? Yep. Not only did it bump a bit, I opened it upside down. Let's see how tough this thing really is. Okay, there we go. They got the top sealed, which is a good thing. Everything is all sealed. Now, off with the tape. Tape on the back as well. I've got styrofoam all over me as well. One more piece of tape, I believe. They've got a little thing about how you can save money on next time you buy ink. Take a look. Got your scanner here. There's plastic over this as well to protect it. I may leave that for a minute. This is sealed. That looks like the tray. They've got this wrapped up good. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, it comes out that way. It's pretty efficient. Not a big tray, but big enough. You can catch your paper or let it extend. You can't see it from here, but it's one side tray. It's not a big tray like that. Now once it's plugged in, I'll have everything I need right here. The back has my tray for the paper. Simple. Thank you for watching.